Hello, friends. We are in the organized self employment ninth session, and I am trying to convince that we should be organized self employed in our work. And by concept wise, truth only trumps this book is trying to explain. It is the book which I have written in 2001, Truth Only Trumps. This book is unique book which gives the concept of a right of pension, fundamental right, a right of pension after 14 years for self earning, self income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, a right of educational certificate in capital value, 3 budget system, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed. We should have the documented system because our documents is coming from the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, ISBN Puran, the Durga Saptati, the Varshkrit God and Goddess, and the government commentaries. These 6 books, unborn books, which has been preaching us to be organized. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 9411. Mobile number is 639736017. I am trying to conceptualize this book, Organized Self-Employment Ministry, because Organized Self-Employment Ministry is producing self-employment government job. First of all, we have to understand that our constitutional life is going on, and in this organized self-employment 9 session, as I have written the book in 2001, since then I am trying to convince in the various meetings and the gatherings. Now I am trying to organize the expression of organized self-employment ministry by expressing it in a proper session form, in which I am trying to explain the organized self-employment ministry, the requirements, because what is there, we are earning, we have the working schedule. First of all, we have to understand Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, the 6 room of democracy, which is producing work after independence, means from 15th August 1947. First room is of Shiv Shakti Mandir documents, Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotirlinga, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 dhotis. All Shiv Shakti families doing their duties. 20 crore Aadhaar card. Then Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita. All Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha film. 12 Jyotirlinga and 12 Banarsi Sari. 20 crore Aadhaar card. Then third, Brahma Saraswati, ISBN. The ISBN families, the law education family, like Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Rabindranath Tagore University, that is Vishwa Bharati University. 1913, he got Nobel Prize. After that, he was working for the university status to the concept of university. In those days, university was a big dream because teaching the Hindus was the main motto of. So, Lord Viceroy reading was there in 1922. Viceroy Rabindranath Tagore talked and he was able to convince the viceroy reading, and he was able to make university, Vishwa Bharati University, Shanti Niketan University in 1922. By the act of the parliament, the central university came into form. The ISBN family. Vivekanand, 1893, went to Chicago with the confidence of flourishing the Hinduism, the ideas, and he was able to convince in the Chicago World Religion Parliament meeting about the growth of Hinduism, impact which came in the national movement also. Ramakrishna Mission, Ramakrishna Mission University, Vivekananda University, all came because teaching was there. Now the impact of organized self-employment, because population is infinite. Population is moving, we are not knowing. But on documents, I have divided into 30,000 above and 30,000 below. We have to regularize our income in organized self-employment ministry and budget. Similarly, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, the DAV schools and colleges, which has been established by Dayanand Saraswati. In those days, he was trying to foment Hinduism, and he was able to form, and it became a great mission of education. The ISBN family of Dayanand Saraswati, DAV schools and colleges all over India. Crores and crores people are getting education. Engineers, doctors, all are coming from the ISBN family. Similarly, Madan Mohan Malviya, Sister Annie Besant, they were fighting for Banaras Hindu University. And in those days, education was the great flavor. That how our Hindu brothers and sisters should be educated. And they fought, convinced the viceroy. And Madan Mohan Malviya was able to form the university, Banaras Hindu University, one of the topmost university of India, Central University. But now time has changed. We required organized self-employment ministry, because Hindus are moving. The irregular income is disturbing them. We have to adopt organized self-employment ministry, ISBN family, that is 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis. These books ISBN in room number 3 of Sardapur Lonavar Dharmanga. Room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagwat, 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhoti. The women, Sarojini Naidu, and different types of the modern woman who has been working hard, 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhotis, and 20 crore Aadhaar cards. We are putting in law education also 20 crore Aadhaar cards here also, because the working style has changed. Then the work script in democratic credential for working, Hindu work script, 20 crore Aadhaar card, and Surya Chandra Navagrah Dharmantri Kuber Sanakadimudi Saptarishi, these types of books, Yagya, Devi Devta, all in this verse script. The different type of truth and non-violence. And then government history, time has been time. Because I am trying to pitch organized self-employment ministry. Because we will live in 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years. Because what was in 1922 university, Madan Mohan Malviya time, Banaras University requirement. Now it is requirement of organized self-employment ministry and budget. Because employment has touched the problem of India. We are feeling every month after 5-year election is held, and in between 5 months we are not able to keep ourselves in equilibrium point due to the various employment pressure. So organized self-employment, so government history, 20 crore Aadhaar card and 12 Jyotir ISBN of government issue. The toppers of various IITs, Doctor, AIMS, these types of book. Government, IAS officers, IPS officers, second lieutenant, these types of books. Then I have tried to mix up into 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100% by Amit Ishwarwad, Amit Kumar Jawad, and tried to put the flashback 31st August 1946, so that at that time if we would have kept this documentation system, we would have changed the constitutional life and we would have been organized self-employed. No matter it is 2021, I have written this book in 2001. Since then I am doing session. Now these are the live sessions of this book, Truth Only Trumps, Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. 270 pages. 270 pages are in this, and it is trying to explain this concept of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. Because the concept is important. The acknowledgement, the purchase of this book is required, so that people will understand what was the requirement at the time of 1922 of Vishwa Bharat, the making of university, Shantiniketan, the making of Banaras University. Same type of requirement is of Organized Self-Employment Ministry for each people of India. I have tried to explain 0 to 18 years, 18 to 32 years, 30 to 46 year, 46 to 58 year. In order to have a constant life. How can we have constant life? By the document system. The 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis into 6, 72 Banarsi sari and 72 dhotis. It is mixing up. We have to see the book Shiv Puran from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes, Governor House eyes in the state. Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes, from the Governor House eyes. We have to see ISBN Puran, the work of Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekanand, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, and the various stalwarts, Madan Mohan Malviya from the ISBN Eye. See from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the Governor House. We have to see Durga Sabsi Devi Bhagwat, the Women of India work from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, Governor House eyes, and Varshkrit work, Hindu book Varshkrit from the government, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and from the eyes of Governor House eyes, and governmentary work from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and from the Governor House eyes. What will happen? Constitutional life concept will develop. A fiscal credit salary will develop. A fiscal credit salary will develop, and fiscal credit salary will give us a organized life beginning. We have to understand the vote bank equation of the documents which I am trying to present for making Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. You have to generate trust in Truth Only Trumps in me and Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. Automatically, the democratic government, the representative MPs and MLA will also generate trust and truth and non-violence unity. Coordination in between us by the document, because documents have the validity. Only thing is required trust from your side, from our side, and from the people's side. The coordination will lead to the development of a new era between 30,000 above and 30,000 below. The vote bank era, where after 5-year election will be held. The working organized work schedule If you will see Shiv Puran, the work style and work is different. If you will see Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the working style, the vote bank is different. If you will see ISBN Puran, Madan Mohan Balviye or Rabindranath Tagore or Vivekananda or Swami Dayananda Saraswati, the vote bank thinking style is different. If you will see the Durga Saraswati Devi Bhagavad, the vote bank thinking style is different. If you will see Varshkrit, Hindu Varshkrit, the vote bank working style is different. And if you will see the government gadgets, constitution, the working style is different. We have to collaborate, we have to coordinate by Amit Kumar Jha, Organized Self-Employment Ministry book, documents. We have to generate trust and faith and coordination. Purchase book to 6397360717. Develop Organized Self-Employment Ministry budget. The same requirement, because self-employment will come in home. If we will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes, 20 crore Aadhaar card eyes, 20 crore into 6, and we will pick court martial connection, because from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes we are seeing this book, and from there we are signing the documents by generating trust. Whole life fiscal credit salary is coming. That fiscal credit salary which will increase, because educational certificate in capital value is being spoken by this Organized Self-Employment Ministry and me. That means if we are graduate, we can do PhD. If we can do PhD, our salary, our fiscal credit salary will increase. The money is coming to each other by the socialism concept, because it is socialism concept. When we are putting Aadhaar card into 6 family, 20 into 6, that means 120 crore Aadhaar card, that is completely socialism. But we are keeping also the capitalism aptitude, because on the level of Organized Self-Employment Ministry, that is the zero level of the Organized Self-Employment Ministry, because right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry of its fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be have constitutional life between 0 to 18, 18 to 58 years, and our constitutional life should contain the documentation system from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and the Governor House I, which will become vote bank 16.66 into 6 and 31st August 1946 point, and the current date will acknowledge us the constitutional life beginning, which will develop into Organized Self-Employment Ministry working schedule. And when we see from the Aadhaar card socialism eyes, we are also capitalist from these eyes, because individually we are free. Optional work system is there, double salary system is there. One we are getting constitutionally fiscal credit salary, everyone other we are doing work according to the requirement. We are signing the document as we are putting the constitutional document signing, and the political brothers, MPs and MLAs are knowing that we are organized voter now. In that circumstances, what is happening? The work we are expecting of a politician, of an industrialist, of an educationist, of a lawyer, of a family woman, of a truthful non-violence work, and the government work, 20 into 6, 120 crore Aadhaar card in a socialism way. Everyone is working, everyone is free. Constitutional life is linked with everyone, because fiscal credit per month sower salary, Election Commission of India is giving a constitutional life of 0 to 18, 18 to 58 years, and then onwards also. And in between we are doing our work also. We are attached to the family member. This is Organized Self-Employment Ministry 9th session, done by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. In Organized Self-Employment Ministry, I am trying to generate a equilibrium point. This equilibrium points will generate a self-employment government job system. And the self-employment government job system attached with the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha with the organized vote system will lead to the infinite population, infinite profession into organized outlook of the document. If we will see our photo by putting Shiv Puran and 20 crore Aadhaar card, automatically we are coming into the framework. If we are seeing Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad, 20 crore Aadhaar card, we are coming in the framework. If we are putting ISBN Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran and 20 crore Aadhaar card, we are coming in the framework of educationists, lawyers. If we are putting 20 crore Aadhaar card and Durga Sapsati Devi Bhagavad, we are coming in the our mother, grandmother, maternal mother, mother framework. If we are putting 20 crore Aadhaar card and the Varshkrit God and Goddess, Hindu Varshkrit God, we are coming in the framework of truth, non-violence, respect, respecting everyone. And if we are putting government, gadget and constitution and 20 crore Aadhaar card, we are putting the government, economy, democratic front on that. So teaching developed in us a prayer in our heart that we want to give equal rights. And how we are giving? By self-employment government job to all. We don't feel any shame. One person, educational certificate is in capital value. He has to study. If he will study, then only he will get graduation, post-graduation, double PhD and other thing, degrees. And for this, the organized self-employment ministry is trying to generate a feeling of oneness, coordination, faith, trust in the different session of organized self-employment ministry from session 1st, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 2001, I am trying to convince that organized self-employment ministry should be made. The same feeling which Madan Mohan Malviya was for Banaras Hindu University. The same feeling which Ravindranath Tagore was having when he came after winning Nobel Prize in 1913, and then in 1922 he was able to make Vishwa Bharati University and government gave the stamp. The same validity I want trust from you, because we all are involved in this organized self-employment ministry. A generation of trust. What is the harm if in front of you Shiv Mandir, Vishnu Mandir, Ram Mandir, Krishna Mandir, ISBN Mandir of different books of Hindus, the government document Mandir and the Varshkrit is there, and you are signing, and on that we are getting self-employment government job. Only thing is accepting the concept. Today we are reaching in the population of 120 to 130 crore population. Employment is a big question mark. Regular income is the big question mark. Organized document is the big question marks. Truth only trumps is providing all organized self-employment government job document. Nothing is being disturbed. The work is looking from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes, the industrial work, the politician work, the educationist lawyer work, the family member work, or are coming from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the truth, non-violence, Hindu Varshkrit God and Goddess work, the work of the government history from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes. We are respecting each other. From the 6th Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and 6th Governor House, we are making the vote bank, and then we are changing into house-wise. Because we are documented, we understand the responsibility of each house, because in document everything is written. We are getting fiscal credit salary, and we can increase our fiscal credit salary by education, by doing work, because organized self-employment ministry will generate work. The work which will give fiscal credit salary to one and all, and this fiscal credit salary to one and all will change our outlook, confidence in work. Of course, we have to listen to the government organized self-employment ministry senior members' decisions, because we have to follow the rules and regulation. But in lieu of that, we are getting a guaranteed paper just by the political thinking changing, the constitutional thinking. We have to come up together. The same feeling which Madan Mohan Malviya generated for making Banaras Hindu University, the same feeling with Rabindranath Tagore generated for making Vishwa Bharati University, Shanti Niketan University, the same feeling which Dayanand Saraswati generated for DAV college and schools and different institutions, which has changed the lifestyle. The same thing that Raja Ram Mohan Rai generated for the different Samaj work, and he was able to throw out Sati Pratha in India. Again, we have to come up. The unorganized setup which we are having, that feeling we have to generate. The vote bank we have to put in that by signing the documents and come up with truth only trumps flying color with organized self-employment ministry, self-employment government job in our home. Our ancestors has already done the work. The constitutional work has been done in 15th August 1950 by making an idealistic society. Only thing we have to make it from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle I and Governor House angle I in democratic way. Some documents we have to sign through truth only trumps by understanding the concept. By singing this truth only trump melodrama, which will give us pension at 18, 32, 46, 58 year and per month fiscal credit salary. That yes, it is written by Amit Kumar Jas, Sarvapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 84744007, mobile number 6397360717. In 2001, 31st August 2001, and for the worship also trying to make that we should remember our organized self-employment ministry, 31st August to 11th September and 16th February to 26th February, 6 family worship, so that we are from the 6 family: Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, ISBN Puran, Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagavad, the Varshkrit, God and Goddess, and government Purans. We have already Panchayat. Panchayat is from one family is of Shiv Parvati, one family is of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita Krishna, the one family is of Brahma Saraswati, one family is of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, one family is of each united Varshkrit, God and Goddess, and 6th one I am trying to put organized self-employment ministerial budget by the gazetted, by the Gazette Constitution family, by document signing, becoming the vote bank from village to city to metropolitan. Everywhere this organized self-employment ministry and budget will help us to generate our 72 members family on each level. We can do it. We have to generate coordination from Amit Kumar Jha. We have to generate trust and faith in organized self-employment ministry and budget. We can do it. This is organized self-employment 9 session. We have to generate faith that one day there was no Vishwa Bharati University in 1913, but in 1922 by the efforts of Rabindranath Tagore it was able to form. At one time Banaras Hindu University was not there, but by the effort of Madan Mohan Malviya and Annie Besant's sister Annie Besant was able to form, because in those days education was high priority. Today population has become overburdened. In one vacancy 100 candidates are there. Time and often corona and different types of disease is attacking. Insecurity of employment is there. People are fed up. People, if a worker is not able to work efficiently, they are thrown out because 100 workers are standing outside. One call and 100 people are standing. It is good atmospheric pressure, but something we can do from our side for making organized self-employment ministry and equilibrium point 30,000 above and 30,000 below, so that organized employment can be developed. We will all live happily. We have already finance commission made by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and the team of 31st August 1946, who by spending their own money did the national movement, Congress session and different political parties session before independence. Now still we have to invest some money for making organized self-employment ministry and budget session. Purchasing organized self-employment ministry book Truth Only Trumps, Amit Kumar Jha writing, and understand that we can generate employment by our effort, by our unity, and our parliamentary brothers who are the sons of those stalwarts can make law, and fiscal credit salary will come per month. The fiscal credit table is ready. I have made in this book fiscal credit table, which will give in our work the government status by trust. We have to respect the work of politicians. Before 31st August 1946, the politicians who worked, ideally, they never tried to show their work. But now time has come. We have to show that politician and industrial worker all are working in an organized way. The democratic funding can be done. We can sit together. An industrial worker will also respect the political worker, and political worker will also respect the industrial worker. All are interlinked with each other from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I. The Shiva Purana family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and Vishnu Purana Ramayana Bhagavad Gita family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and ISBN family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and the Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and the Hindu Varshkrit family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, government from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, 6 family, unborn family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I is coming. And we can write in 6 houses in the vote bank, and we can give to the MPs and MLA, and every 5 years this can be cross-examined. The control will be in the Prime Minister and Chief Minister, Governor and President House, because for that from 18 to 58 and from 0 to 18 years and 18 to 15 years, we are getting fiscal credit salary. Double employment salary we can get. We in organized self-employment ministerial budget, work is optional. Job is permanent. We can do self-transform from one city to other. In village area also we can live with organized self-employment ministry and budget, and in Mumbai and Delhi also we can live with organized self-employment ministry. Kolkata also we can live with organized self-employment ministry. Chennai also we can live with organized self-employment. The documents are of India level. We have to generate trust. In Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407 6397360717, mobile phone number by which you can purchase Truth Only Trumps, generate trust, generate link of organized self-employment ministry and budget. Employment generation we can do, and it is self-employment government job in own work. The fiscal credit table will give validity of fiscal credit salary to we all, and by the table we are getting how much fiscal credit salary at what age, 18, 32, 46, 58 year, we will easily can judge. And apart from that, the senior of organized self-employment ministry can give us work. All seniors are linked from 0 to 18 years, 32 years, 46 years and 58 years. And after that retirement people are also related. We can build a family atmosphere of 72 people. We can develop colonies. We have to come together. We have to generate trust in organized self-employment ministry and budget. Small things you will do and it will become big thing. One step forward from your side for understanding organized self-employment ministry session number 9. It will increase the strength of the organized self-employed ministry and budget. And what will happen? We will become organized self-employed government servant. We have to come together for the generation of democratic vote bank. Politicians will also understand these are our voters. This is the equilibrium point of administration. 0 to 18 years, 18 to 58 years, 30,000 above and 30,000 below. Per month, 30,000 earning is difficult task. Only 70% people below are 30,000 per month earner, and 30,000 above are only 30%. We have to understand this fact and we have to generate a trust in employment. Today the requirement is of organized self-employment ministry and budget, and our life will become beautiful because safety on our side and safety on our neighbor side and safety on our society side will build the society in a strong manner. A person who is healthy also requires a proper employment, a competitive atmosphere, a proper society of organized self-employment ministry. Organized self-employment ministry gives a society of equal caliber. A graduate will do friendship with graduate, a postgraduate will do friendship with postgraduate, a 32 years will do friendship with 32 years, a 46-year person will do friendship with 46 year, a 58-year people will do friendship with 50 year. Organized self-employment ministry and budget gives a platform. The Shiv Bhakta's life Shiv Bhakta, Ram Bhakta likes Ram Bhakta, Krishna Bhakta like Krishna Bhakta. We have to understand educated person like educated. The professor of Banaras University and professor of Vishwa Bharati University, their liking is different. The professor will like each other. This organized self-employment tries to generate by generating employment. The political principle is required today to be accepted by the organized self-employment ministry concept. Develop a coordination trust through Amit Kumar Jha organized self-employment ministry budget book, Truth Only Trumps purchasing book. We have to understand that one by one we can develop our society in the proper way we are developing today. The regularized money will give a fiscal credit loans also through the organized self-employment ministry and budget. We have to understand, we have to support each other. The book is containing 218 pages and it is in 6 parts. We have to come together for the organized self-employment ministry session. We have to work. Employment will be generated, everyone will be employed, we will become vote bank. Political parties will also earn from us and we will also earn from them because mutual credit will help. Little bit change in the constitutional setup by adjusting organized self-employment ministry. Today with universities concept we require organized self-employment ministry through the documentation system by saying through the Rashtrapati Bhavan Aay 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhoti into 6, that is 76 Banarsi sari and 76 dhotis. 120 crore Aadhaar cards are there. We have to conceptualize ourselves with the organized self-employment ministry and budget, and it will develop our concept of organized self-employment ministry regular income. And as we were dreaming on 31st August 1885 for the independence and 15th August 1947 we got independence, similarly we will have organized self-employment ministry and self-employment government job to one and all. And we don't have to look for the work. The ministry will inform that industrial people require this, ministry require this, and we can, by our seniors will be informed, and we can be having self-employment fiscal credit. We have to do initiative. We have to come together. We have to purchase truth only terms. We have to understand each other. Organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. Thank you.